Is Jack Jack your friend? You like Jack Jack? Baby Chevy, right? What are you doing to Jack Jack? What are you doing to Jack Jack? Oh yes. Oh yes. What? Hi, gorgeous. Hi, gorgeous. What's wrong with your hair? Hi. Chevy. Chevy. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Chevy. Chevy, mommy's calling you. Oh, what? Yes? Chevy, darling. Chevy, darling. Chevy. Very good. That's my beautiful baby. Yes, babe. What are you doing to Jack Jack? No. No, Chev. What are you doing to Jack Jack? This is Jack Jack's eyes. Can you point to mommy where Jack's nose is? What? Chevy, say hi. What's with the Chevy, darling. Chevy, say hi. Chevy, Chevy, say hi. Hi. Here. Hi. Hi. Chef. You're looking at Pro? Where's Pro? There. Chevy. Darling. Chevy. Stop pinching Jack's nose. Gorgeous. Hi. Hello, gorgeous. Hello. What are you doing? Hello. Can you say hi? Say hi. Hi. My name is Chevy Marian. What? Wanna say something? Wow, what are you doing? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Baby? What?